What's up guys, welcome to this channel. In this video I'll show you how you can download and install SketchUp 2023 Windows 10 or Windows 11, and it's a small process that takes a few minutes. So let's check out how it's done. You're gonna need to search for SketchUp, or you can choose to go directly to the website sketchup.com, or you can search using Google and it's gonna bring you to this website and you can click on that. When you're here, this is the website, and when you're here, what you want to do is click on resources and you want to go straight to help center. And when you're here, what you want to do is click on getting started. There is downloading, installing, and authorizing. So you want to click on this. And it's going to take you to this page. What you want to do from here is go to downloading SketchUp. And you click on that. Here it's going to bring up two options. Before you download, you have to know that it's gonna install some few softwares. That's Microsoft.NET Framework 4.5.2 and Visual C++ for Visual Studio 2015. You just have to keep that in mind. So you come back here and you're gonna choose your operating system from here. I'm gonna go for Windows. That's the platform that I'm using right now, so I'm gonna click on that and you can see that it's downloading. It's ready, and you're gonna need to go straight to the location where you downloaded that. And you need to double tap on this and it's gonna install in a few moments. This process really entirely depends on the strength of your PC and your internet connection, because this installation requires an internet connection, so you need to have that. You have to keep that in mind. You have the option to change your language. I'm gonna leave it at English, but you have the option to choose the language that you desire. Okay, and you still have the option to choose a location where you want to install this. I'm just gonna leave it at the default, so I'm just gonna go ahead and install. It requires the administrator permission, so I'm just gonna enter that and it will install. Okay, the installation is done and you just need to click finish and the application is ready. Go to your start and you can search for it, SketchUp. You can alternatively click on that straight away from your desktop, or you can search for it. Here you're gonna see some terms and conditions. You read through that and you need to agree with the terms in order to continue. So you have agree, you need to click continue, and the application is gonna open, and then you can sign in. After signing in, you have the option to use the free trial, or you can buy a license straight away. So after entering the application, you can start doing your designs and all that. So that's what I had to show you today, guys. Thanks for watching the video. If you found it useful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you. That's all for today's video. I'll see you next time.